Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by forcing the laptop to use the discrete GPU for gaming. This is critical because integrated chips throttle performance. First, open Device Manager and verify the dedicated GPU is recognized. Then set Windows Power Plan to high performance while plugged in so thermal and power budgets allow full GPU clocks. Once done, download and install the latest WHQL driver from the GPU vendor to ensure stability and game profile support. These steps unlock the hardware you need to proceed. Next, you tell the OS and driver which GPU to use for each game, because otherwise the system may default to the slower integrated chip to save energy. In Windows graphics settings, add your game executable and select high performance so it binds to the discrete GPU. Then open NVIDIA or AMD control panel, create a per-game profile, choose the dedicated GPU, and set power mode to prefer maximum performance. Also make sure refresh rate and display output match the GPU's outputs to avoid pass-through bottlenecks. Finally, optimize settings to hit your target FPS while keeping temps safe. You do this because raw GPU selection alone doesn't ensure playable results. In-game, choose resolution, enable DLSS or FSR if available, and pick a graphics preset that balances visuals and frame rate. Monitor GPU temperatures and clocks using MSI Afterburner, then gently tweak fan curves or power limits if thermals throttle performance. If a game still runs on the wrong GPU or crashes, make sure to reinstall drivers, reset control panel profiles, and test another title to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.